Welcome back to my channel, where we talk about the real process behind AI content creation. If you're new here, my name is Wana, and in this video, I want to have a very real conversation with you. Many people begin AI content creation thinking it's fast, simple, and cost-effective, but once they get into it, they start to see the complexity involved, both in terms of time and resources. So today, I'm going to break down what most people won't tell you about making AI videos for YouTube. We'll talk about the storytelling process, generating images, creating videos from those images, and the often hidden time, cost, and quality challenges that come with it. More importantly, I'll be sharing practical strategies to help you move through these challenges with clarity and purpose. Let's begin. The core of any meaningful video is the story. AI tools like ChatGPT or Claude can help generate a script, but the raw output is rarely ready for production. It often lacks emotional depth, cultural nuance, and narrative flow. The creator still has to shape that script, rewrite lines, build believable characters, and add emotional arcs that resonate with the viewers. If you're building a story-driven content, this part can take several hours. Here's a tip you could use. Use AI to help with structure and basic scenes, but always revise with the audience in mind. Ask yourself, does this feel real? Is the dialogue natural? Also consider building a character profile before generating your story so you can guide the AI to stay consistent with tone and behavior. The image generation process. Once your story is ready, you still need to visualize it. This step introduces its own sets of challenges. While image generation tools like Leonardo or Midjourney can create impressive artworks, they can also struggle with consistency. A single character may appear differently in various frames. Backgrounds may shift unintentionally. Hands, faces, and proportions frequently need manual correction. Generating consistent scenes for a 1-minute video can take several hours of prompt testing, editing, and retouching. Here are some tips. Use image-to-image techniques with reference photos to maintain consistency. Create badges for your work. Plan your scenes first, then generate images in sets, which can save you time and ensure continuity. Video generation. Video generation is often where creators face the steepest learning curve. Let's take Clean AI as an example. To generate just 5 seconds of video at good quality, you can use up to 30 credits. On the free tier, that means you can only be able to generate a few clips per week. Upgrading to a paid plan provides more credit, but it adds to your monthly expenses. Rendering time is another concern. A single 5 seconds video may take up to 20 to 40 minutes to process, and even then, the results may be inconsistent. Characters may shift or warp across frames, facial features may be distorted, animation may not match the intended emotion or movement. These flaws often mean you'll need to regenerate scenes multiple times, further consuming your credit and extending your production timeline. Here are some tips. Use short animation instead of trying to animate entire scenes. Focus on moments where movement adds value, and use stills or simple motion effects for everything else. Use AI to handle specific tasks like voice generation, motion inserts, and do final assembly in a reliable photo editor. Time and cost considerations. Here's a realistic estimate of what it takes to create a 1-minute AI-driven video. Script writing and revisions, 2 to 3 hours. Image generation and refinement, 3 to 5 hours. Video generation and testing, 2 to 3 hours. Voiceover and editing, 2 to 3 hours. That's anywhere from 9 to 14 hours for a 60 seconds video. And the cost? Image generation tools like Leonardo and Midjourney cost between $10 and $30. Video AI generation tools like Kling and Pika range from $15 to $50. Voice tools like 11 Labs and PlayHT range from $5 to $25. Editing software, $10 to $30. This doesn't include your time, system performance, requirements, or internet bandwidth. Here's a tip. Define a monthly budget and workflow. Prioritize the tools that solve your most frequent problems. For example, if character consistency is your biggest issue, invest in tools that handle that pretty well. Also, Track how long each task takes you so you can optimize and gradually reduce your production time. One of the most difficult things for new creators to accept is that even after all the work, your early videos may not perform well. The AI tools don't guarantee engagement. YouTube's algorithm favors watch time, relevance, and retention. And building an audience takes time, especially if your niche is unfamiliar or your style is still evolving. This can be discouraging, but it's also normal. Here are some tips. Focus on consistency, not just views. Your skills, workflow, storytelling will improve with every project. Also, document your process. Share your learning with your audience. Many people are not interested in just the final video, but how it was made. AI is a powerful tool, but it's not an instant shortcut to success. It requires time, structure, and a clear creative vision. If you're feeling overwhelmed, know that you're not alone. These challenges are common, but they are also solvable. With time, practice, and realistic expectations, you can create high-quality AI-driven content that stands out. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and let me know in the comments what your biggest challenge in AI content creation is. I'll see you in the next video.